Good morning, KG2. Today it's Tuesday, March 17, 2020. I'm Miss Karar, your science teacher.
Let's review together yesterday's lesson. Name some domestic animals. A cat. A dog. Great job. Where do they live? They live at home or on a farm.
Our objective for today is to identify wild animals. What are wild animals? Wild animals don't live around us. They live in a desert or in a forest. Please, KG2, bring again your science book, Basic 2, open page 21. What do you see? A picture full of wild animals. Do they live around us? No. Why? Because they are wild animals. Great. Where do they live? In a desert, in the forest. Great. What is this? A bear. Great. Where does it live? Lives in a forest. It's a wild animal. What is this? Tiger. Great. A tiger lives in a forest. So it's a wild animal. What is this animal? A monkey. Where does a monkey live? In a forest. It's a wild animal. These are more wild animals. Please, KG2, look at these animals. These are what? Wild animals. Please, KG2, you have homework for next week. Make sure your parents check for the worksheets and the homework on your books on our application. Thank you and see you soon.